there, my name is Gisele from Florida SEO Pro. In this quick video, I'm going to share some tips and tricks you can start utilizing to help you bring more customers to your business by accessing your website more. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing that I'm going to talk about is your website. I like that you have your click to call phone number here. That surely helps with quick conversions. You have some content and some pictures. One thing with Google is that they like to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words, just depending on the competition and the number of keywords on a home page. A keyword is anything someone may type in Google looking for a particular product or service. So on your content, you can intentionally place keywords to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found when people are searching for it. All your pictures can be considered aid content, so I recommend saving those as a keyword. Now I went ahead and inserted your website into a tool we call Ahrefs. It just gives us a basic analytical view of your site. One thing that we look at is the UR and the DR. It means the power and the trust you have with Google. Anywhere between 30 and 40 is considered a strong site. So if it's on the lower end and utilize some of these tips, it will help you boost your numbers and allow Google to trust you more. Right now you have 71 backlinks coming from 15 referring domains or websites. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linked to another via an anchor text. These links act like an endorsement of your site from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. You are indexing for 39 keywords and getting about 255 hits to your website a month. So let's take a look at your keywords. It looks like people search for a business name in particular. And there's some great local buy intent keywords, and those are the ones that I inquire about. The local buy intent keywords are the location, the service that you provide in those locations, so you can clearly utilize them for a location that you service. Now I went ahead and inserted the plumbers in your area in Google. What you see here is called the map pack, and down here is what we call the organic listings. Ultimately, you want to be in the map pack. It's because the top 3 searches on Google result page receive 75% of clicks. In other words, if your business appears near the top of the results, it's more likely that a researcher will interact with your business by clicking on your URL, calling your listed phone number, or getting directions to your business. And there are the citations. As citations in your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per Google Business Profile. Those are then placed in various directories such as Yelp, Better Business Beetle, Yellow Pages. I went ahead and I pulled up a competitor's website. They have their click to call phone number, a chat box, some pictures, and content. I inserted them into the same tool. They're getting about 424 hits to their website a month. They have 96 backlinks coming from 22 referring domains. In the long run, you want to match them and beat them for at least 100. Let's take a look at their keywords. They have a bit of local intent keywords, and those are keywords you can analyze in different areas that you service. In conclusion, there's a high percent of people that don't scroll past the first page of Google. You surely want to be in those top sites. Now implement this strategy a few ways you can start claiming Google and get the first page. I hope you found this video very educational. If you have any questions, let us know. We look forward to hear from you. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day and thanks for watching.